what you said. I don't believe you. So listen to me, girl, 'cause I've been there. And cast aside these feelings of despair.